Hi, our project today is to replace the rear wiper of Honda Odyssey 2015 or 2014. First is pull the wiper blade and then push this up. Once pushed up, release the wiper. So I got this new wiper for the Honda Odyssey. I got this from Amazon, and it's the 16-inch 16B Trico Extract Fit for Honda Odyssey 2014 and 2015. This is the new wiper blade from Amazon. It has the bar and the nut. So to install it, the nut should be below the bar. Insert the bar onto this slot. Wiper blade is perpendicular to the arm. Push it in and then push the lower part of the wiper blade to lock it. And you will hear a click or a snag. And that secured the wiper. Please leave any comment or any questions, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.